This isn't a job site, it's a mechanical war zone. Wood, steel, waste, everything gets shredded. Blades spin, engines roar, and what you're about to see will keep your eyes locked on the screen. The Zato GF isn't just a shredder, it's a beast built for brutal work. With smart PLC controls, remote diagnostics, and load-sensing tech, it avoids costly downtime. This monster runs full shifts crushing metal, ripping cars apart like paper. Tough, smart, relentless. Just press start. This DAF VDL SBR 4000 once ruled the streets, now it bows to the claw. Steel screams, glass explodes, and history crumples like paper. Built to carry thousands, now crushed in seconds. No ceremony, no goodbye. Just raw power ending a legacy with one brutal, unforgettable crunch. The BS6000 isn't just a shredder, it's a tire-eating beast with brains. Conveyor belts feed non-stop, magnets auto-scan for metal, no micromanagement, no slowdown. It's smart, efficient, and brutal, built to run hard all day without breaking a sweat. That's industrial genius in motion. This is raw industrial muscle in motion. The Cenobogan 835E feeds non-stop while the CBI 6400 CT chews through wood like it's nothing. Chips fly in high arcs, raining down like sawdust storms. All that power, all that precision. What comes next? Mulch? Energy? One thing's certain, nothing goes to waste. This isn't cleanup, it's destruction with purpose. The pack-mat monster smash rolls over junk like it owes it money. One pass and the trash flattens, making room for more. No drama, no delay, just brutal compression done right. Industrial efficiency at its finest. Not just power, This beast is precise. The Delta 94 doesn't rush. It reads, adapts, and slices with brutal grace. Smart sensors guide every cut. Its frame, unshakable. Built to endure, not explode. No show-off, just cold, calculated crushing at its finest. The Zato Blue Devil doesn't just shred, it analyzes. With twin rotors spinning in perfect sync, it locks onto aluminum blocks and pulverizes with ease. Precision cut teeth bite deep. Noise, sparks, force. It's brutal tech doing brutal work. That's no TV remote. It's the command center for the Metso LT-125. When boulders jam the jaws, the operator triggers the breaker arm from a safe distance. Precision, power, protection. Crushing rock with tech like this? It's danger turned into choreography. Pure industrial ballet. Ever wish your chipper worked smart, not just hard? The Hyzohack HM8-400 makes it real. With 400mm intake, a beefy drum, and auto-load control, it chews through logs like breakfast. Fuel efficient, low maintenance, and built like a tank. This one's made for pros who don't mess around. Forget brute force. This is precision in motion. The Terex Fuchs 331 unloads crushed cars with surprising finesse. A firm grip, smooth swing, and zero wasted moves. It's not just faster, it's smarter. Saving time, fuel, and space with every lift. That's what smart demolition looks like. Some machines shred. The Araco 95 dominates. It crushes scrap cars and engines like toys. 140 tons per hour. Non-stop. In Austria, it devoured 24,000 tons before even needing a shaft swap. Nails, metal, hardwood? No problem. That's not just durability. That's certified destruction muscle. When standard shredders can't handle the job, this beast takes over. Crushing engine blocks and transmissions with ease, it's built to tackle the toughest materials. Power, precision, and efficiency, delivering high-performance results. Ever wonder what happens to your old ride? It gets reborn. From claw to crusher to smelter, the full cycle is on show. Steel melts, plastics pulled, glass sorted, machines hum, sparks fly, and scrap turns into raw material again. It's not junk, it's future metal in the making. For clean energy lovers, meet the R310. This biomass press runs non-stop, blending briquettes with double-action power. Screw feed loads, cylinders compress, and out come dense 30mm fuel blocks. Compact, clean, boiler-ready, waste in, energy out. That's efficiency done right. Blink, and it's gone. The Rotor RSS 100 rips through steel like it's nothing. Built for power, precision, and pure speed, it makes thick I-beams crumble in seconds. Hydraulic jaws bite hard, cut clean. It's not just scrap work, it's surgical demolition in motion. Over 10 million motorcycles are scrapped globally every year. Machines like this industrial shredder help reclaim valuable materials and reduce landfill waste. But are we solving the problem or just hiding it? Steel, rubber, and oil vanish into the blades. Yet the real issue is what we keep ignoring. The WEMA TH614 presses loose aluminum chips into dense 60mm briquettes, tight, tidy, and ready to recycle. Hydraulic power meets clean design. Less mess, more value. It's not just a compactor, it's a smart upgrade for every serious metal shop. One moment, silence. The next, a fiery storm of rock and dust erupts, like a volcanic beast breaking free. Amazing technology. Jaw mechanism crushes rocks easily. The M and J shredder doesn't just break pallets, it obliterates them. Thick boards, gone in seconds. Its slow-speed, high-torque shafts twist and snap like a monster with no mercy. Turn your volume up and feel that crunch. This isn't noise, it's industrial music. Pure wood chip carnage. The Rurvik wood turner isn't just a machine, it's a perfectionist's dream. Every log gets centered, clamped, and rotated with mechanical elegance. Clean cuts, zero waste, and pure rhythm. It's oddly satisfying to watch and brutally efficient in action. Precision never looked this smooth. Meet the Pezzolato 1200, 800. This beast chews through massive logs like popcorn. With jaw-dropping speed and power, it turns timber into premium biomass in seconds. Clean, fast, and seriously epic. At Guadama's recovery yard, this VB750D shredder gives wood waste a second shot. Boards, pallets, roots, nothing gets dumped. All sorted, all processed. Some head to timber mills, others feed biomass burners. It's clean, smart, and brutally efficient. Zero waste, all purpose. A 100 years tall, gone in minutes. No explosives, no chaos. Just a cat excavator, a steel beam, and a skilled operator. One precise tap was all it took to tip the silo. No rush, no mess. Just quiet control, perfect timing, and the art of demolition at its best. Meet the Lion Shredder, where food waste gets a second chance. These potatoes aren't trash, they're future energy. With twin shafts tearing through veggie waste, it preps biomass fuel with brutal grace. Less waste, more power. Even scraps can spark something big. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Watch the Cat 312C in action. This beast doesn't just move dirt, it takes down full-grown trees with grace. First it digs, then it topples trunks with calculated power. Pure precision meets unstoppable force. What do you think about the power of the Cat 312C? Share your thoughts. Say hello to firewood done right. The Penosa EPC 400 handles logs up to 6.5 meters and splits them in up to 16 directions, all in one seamless pass. Cutting, splitting, and stacking ready in seconds. No tool switching, no slowdowns, just high-volume power with Italian precision. Check this out. Zato's Blue Devil pre-shredder is tearing through that scrap, prepping it for the next stage. The Blue Shark shredder then devours the metal with mind-blowing efficiency, all controlled by PLC. Finally, the Blue Sorter separates the output with precision, maximizing value and efficiency. Watch how the Lion Shredder effortlessly handles bulky furniture waste, turning it into manageable pieces for recycling. Ultimate efficiency in waste processing. Sturdy plastic? Not a problem. The WEMA WLK 1500 single-shaft shredder rips through crates like they're made of foam. With a 1500mm rotor and high-torque motor, it delivers non-stop power. Built for industrial duty, it turns bulky bins into bite-sized pieces. Fast, clean, relentless. The Mezzo M and J Pre-Shred 4000S isn't here to ask, it's here to tear. With 540 horsepower under the hood, it chews through sofas, mattresses, and mixed junk like clockwork. Paired with a feeder, it turns chaos into a steady flow of destruction. Loud, relentless, and weirdly satisfying to watch. The Morbark 40/36 drum chipper with a Cat 765 horsepower engine is a powerhouse designed to tackle any job. Whether it's mixed hardwoods, softwoods, or limbs, it handles them all with ease. With a 22-minute loading time for 31 metric tons and impressive output despite fuel usage, it's perfect for large-scale operations.